Hey beautiful, as we get older, our beauty routine may need an update to help us look and feel our best. Today I've put together 3 things that you need to do different after 50 with your makeup application. The first one is less foundation. You're going to want to start right in the center of the face where you have the most discoloration and work your way out. Also, second thing on the list is that you want to push and pat your concealer. You don't want to pull and tug on your skin. So you're just going to go ahead and push it into the skin and pat it. Just like that. No pulling and dragging. This is going to be the perfect application to update that look. Then the third thing that you're going to do is a cream blush. So what you want to do is you want to place your blush on top of your cheekbones, not on top of the apples of your cheek, but up on the top of your cheekbones. And same thing, push and pat, no pulling and dragging on the skin. Okay, so that's 3 things that you can do different after 50 to update your makeup application. I have 10 things actually. There, I talk about contouring, how to get rid of this extra little sag here, also your brows and eyelids and your lips and eyeliner. There's 10 things you need to do different after 50. It's in my free guide, Modify Your Makeup. You can find all the information in the box below. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this, please like this video, leave any comments below, and don't forget to subscribe. Mwah! See you next time.